Three of the most common names on American driveways. Three very different stories at the repair shop: Ford, Toyota, Honda. If you chose your next vehicle based purely on what it would cost you to keep it running over the next 10 years, which one wins? Not which one has the most impressive new model. Not which one has the best commercial. Not which one your neighbor swears by. Which one, based on real ownership data, real repair costs, and real long-term reliability records, puts the least amount of money through your mechanic's hands over a decade of American driving? The answer matters more than most buyers realize when they are standing in a showroom, because the difference in repair bills between the best and worst performer on this list, over 10 years of average American mileage, can exceed $10,000. Same type of vehicle, different badge, completely different wallet impact. Let us find out which badge wins. How we measure this. The methodology matters because there are several ways to measure repair costs, and they do not all tell the same story. We are looking at three things together. First, average annual unplanned repair cost from large-scale owner surveys and repair database aggregators. This is what owners actually spend beyond routine maintenance. Second, reliability frequency. How often vehicles need unexpected repairs, not just how much each repair costs. A vehicle that rarely needs repair but costs a lot when it does may have a different real-world impact than one that needs frequent low-cost repairs. Third, how the cost trajectory changes over time. Some brands are competitive early but diverge after 80 or 100,000 miles. The 10-year picture is often very different from the 3-year picture. That long view is what we care about here. Toyota. Toyota wins this comparison, and it is not a close result. Across virtually every measure of long-term repair costs, Toyota vehicles, the Camry, Corolla, RAV4, Tacoma, and Highlander specifically, consistently appear among the lowest cost vehicles in their segments over 10-year ownership periods. Annual unplanned repair costs for the average Toyota run meaningfully below the national vehicle average. Reliability frequency shows Toyota owners making fewer unplanned service visits per year than owners of most competing brands. And this advantage holds, and in some models improves, as vehicles age past 80,000 miles. What drives this consistency is Toyota's engineering philosophy of refining proven systems rather than introducing new technology before it is fully developed. Toyota vehicles at high mileage are not running first or second generation versions of complex systems. They are running 6th and 7th generation versions that have had years to be refined and debugged. The Tacoma in particular stands out in the truck segment. Tacoma owners keeping their trucks past 150,000 miles often report spending less annually on repairs than competitive truck owners at similar mileage, a result that represents genuine and measurable financial advantage. Honda finishes a strong second, close enough to Toyota that for many buyers in specific models, the 10-year repair cost difference is not material. The Honda CR-V, Accord, and Civic appear near the top of reliability rankings in their segments, with a consistency that reflects genuine engineering quality, not luck. Honda's approach, while different from Toyota's, has produced vehicles that hold up well over long ownership and whose repair costs remain manageable as they age. Where Honda shows more variation than Toyota is in specific model years. Honda has had generations of specific models, particularly certain transmission configurations, where reliability data diverges from the brand's overall strong average. The implication is that researching the exact model year you are considering, rather than relying purely on brand reputation, matters with Honda in a way that is slightly more important than with Toyota. For buyers choosing between Toyota and Honda primarily on repair cost expectations, the Toyota edge is real but often smaller than brand reputation suggests. Both operate in a tier that is significantly better than the national average and significantly better than most European competition at any equivalent price point. Ford is the most nuanced story and requires more care than a simple brand-level average can capture. At the brand level, Ford's average annual repair costs are higher than Toyota's and Honda's. Reliability frequency data shows Ford owners making more unplanned service visits on average than owners of the Japanese brands. But the Ford story is not uniform. The Ford Maverick Hybrid has developed a strong early reliability record that is competitive with the Japanese brands in its segment. The older Ranger has a track record in the used market that is more positive than the overall Ford brand average would suggest. The Explorer and F-150 in their simpler trim configurations perform differently from loaded versions, where electronic complexity introduces more potential failure points. For buyers specifically considering a Ford, the model and trim level matter far more than the brand average. Research the specific vehicle you are considering, not just the badge on the hood. That distinction makes a meaningful difference in what the actual data says about your specific choice. Final thoughts: Ford versus Toyota versus Honda in repair bills. The honest ranking is Toyota first, Honda second, Ford third, but the honest conclusion is more nuanced. The gap between Toyota and Honda is smaller than most people expect. The gap between both Japanese brands and the national average is larger than most people realize. And within Ford, the model matters enormously. The practical implication is this: choosing between brands primarily on 10-year repair cost expectations, the data favors Toyota and Honda consistently. Choosing a Ford because a specific Ford model meets your needs in ways Japanese options do not. Go in with accurate expectations, budget accordingly, and consider extended warranty coverage more seriously than you might with the Japanese alternatives. The badge matters. The model matters more. The specific year and trim matters most of all. Hit the like button if this helped clarify the decision. Subscribe to AmericanRevHead for honest car content every week. Drop a comment. Which brand are you driving and what has your real repair experience been? Owner experiences are the best data there is. Until next time, drive smart, spend smarter, and know what the data actually says before you decide.